Hey you guys, it's DIY with Susie, and we're gonna go ahead and do another video, which I think is awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this little graduation centerpiece that I'm gonna go ahead and make. So I picked these up at the Dollar Tree, and then I also picked this one up. So I'm actually gonna be making two. I'm gonna be making a girl and a boy one. I'm gonna go ahead and use the styrofoam that I will be cutting up. You can pick yours up at the dollar store. Or wherever you want. Okay. So it's just gonna fit in like that. I'm gonna go ahead and make another one. Perfect. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. And just like that, put away your styrofoam and your butter knife. So put that away. I'm gonna put this away. Okay, so the next step is let's get started. Bring this up. I actually bought a couple of little goodies. I bought this 7-piece photo prop that I'm gonna go ahead and use. I brought this little cute sign. And I also brought this 10-piece hats that I'm gonna go ahead and use. So this will be a lot of fun. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I'm gonna need are these and my skewer sticks. Make sure you have your skewer sticks, and also make sure you have your wire cutters in case you need them. So the first thing I'm gonna open is this. Let's go ahead and open this up. And they have a ton of sizes. You can use that one. I'm gonna go ahead and use different sizes. And all of this. Make sure you can see everything. So just go ahead and grab your skewer stick, and we're just gonna hot glue it to the back like that. Yeah, that's perfect. So grab your hot glue gun. Bring it down. Let it dry. And then I'm going to go ahead and use them all. Let that dry. Now they have black ones. I'm going to go ahead and use the black one. This might be a little too big, but we'll see right now. If I need to use it, I'm going to go ahead and use it as well. I'm going to go ahead and use the black one. And the other blue one. You could save this if you're going to do a huge centerpiece. That'll be perfect for your table. And now I'm going to go ahead and let that dry. I'm going to put this to the side. If I want to go ahead and use the gold one, I probably will. Now, the good thing about this, it already has sticks. And just bring them all out, and then we're going to go ahead and use them. These are a little short, but you can go ahead and put them wherever you like. Like that. And since I'm going to use the blue with the blue, because the blue is for the boy. And I'm going to go ahead and use the pink with the pink. If you need to make it a little bigger, go ahead. I'm going to use this one, which I really like. Can you guys see, or do I have to move my camera up? Let me move my camera a little higher. I hope this is perfect for you, and I hope you can see the whole thing. So we're just building them as we go. And look at how adorable they're already coming out. If you need to put it more in, please do so. I'm going to use each one for each one. I don't want anything blocking the next one. So this one I'll probably shorten it. And this one will be perfect right there. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and use this one because it looks funny. Or this one. I really don't like it. I'm going to use this one. And this one. And maybe this one. Let's just look at it and see what we can change. What we can move around right now. Now, one's for the girl, one's for the boy. Sorry. We're going to go ahead and add this right here. And that's perfect. We're going to go ahead and add one more of the gold one. I think right here, I kind of want the gold one in there. So go ahead and make that one. And we also have another black one and a green one. So we can also use this one or even this one way at the back. So I think I'm going to go ahead and use this one and this one. So all I'm going to do is add the glue here. Bring it up. Let it dry. I'm going to do the same thing for this one and we're almost done. This is very simple. I wanted to keep it simple for you guys, just so you could go ahead and make your own, determine how you want the ending to look, or if you want to add or not add. So let's go ahead and put this one in. So I'm going to put it in shorter. So I'm going to grab my wire cutters and I'm just going to go ahead and cut it in half. Well, a third for now. And leave that just like that. I'm also going to go ahead and add this black one in the back. And how does that look? I think that one looks very cute. So let's go ahead and finish this. I'm going to put this one on here. So I want this one right here. What do you think of that? I think that looks good. I'm going to go ahead and bring this down just a little bit. So this will be right here in the middle. And that's perfect. I'm going to put this one way at the bottom. I'm going to actually put this one right here. So this one's going to go like that. And I think this one will go in here. And let's see if it, I think that looks very good. Now we can go ahead and put tissue in there if you want. We can put other things. It's really optional. It's up to you. I'm going to go ahead and put this sign right in the middle like this. And it's going to go right in there. And I think that is very cute. I think I have my two centerpieces and I love them. So I'm going to go ahead and add some of this tissue in the front and in the back. A couple right there. There you go. I'm gonna do the blue one. And there you go. And here we are, our last centerpieces. I hope you guys make one. I hope you enjoy it. They came out beautiful. And until next time, bye you guys.